wamezoea kuwa kileleni.
Kopogore gi mano, team mar Nairobi United kwano mana seche motelo ne tugo margi mar adek mar group stage mar CAF Confederations Cup e kindgi kod team mar Azam ma Tanzania. Naibois nolo e tuke gi ariyo mokwongo bang' mago mag group stage mana kaka Azam. Naibois ni kama rach ni mar e group ka group ibiro dwar mana timbe ariyo kende madhi nyime. Kanyaka sani, Nairobi United nitiere thuolo mar 4 tok Wydad, Maniema kod Azam mantiere thuolo mokwongo nyaka adek kaluwore kamano. Kocha Salim Ali wacho ni giseketo ikruok makare mar loyo Azam.
But what I've learned from all those matches from the players that I've played against, I think it's just a little bit of, let's say, to me, I can step up because I've played against so many experienced players. Can see like the game for Dad played against Bakasu. It was such a great opponent and a tough one. It's one of the crucial matches that we are having this beginning of the season and the year. And I believe the players, they're in a good shape. They're eager to work. They're eager to get their first win in this Confederation Cup. And I believe tomorrow they will have very positive results in our team.
Nyakorongo jongi kanyibe